Hello, everybody, and welcome to another episode number 38 of the Rusi News Network. Today, we're going to do something a little bit different for you. We're going to give you a roundup of everything that's happened with Corona without the who, why, what, he, she, or any of that other nonsense. Just pure poetic justice over here for all of you who are looking for explanations for what's happening or just a roundup altogether, and we're bringing it to you with an all-star cast. So please stay tuned, and without any further ado, let's go into Corona, a poetic something or the other. I don't know what, something, but enjoy it.
In a crowded China market, a lonely bat was packed. It didn't know that its days were marked, and that's how this mayhem started. Who would have thought? Who would have stopped it? But no, now our world is distorted. भाइयों और बहनों, लॉकडाउन से होगी आप सबकी भलाई, सरकार की ले लो सलाई, कोरोना से मुक्त होना हम सब ने है ठानी, बाहर आने जाने की अब सब पे है पाबंदी, थाली बजाओ दिया जलाओ, बस घर पे है जिंदगी बितानी, जूम गूगल और MS टीम से ही है इकोनॉमी को बचानी.
Hey, now look here, buddy. It's only for 1 or 2 weeks. Corona gonna come and go. Don't give it a second peek. TV, YouTube, WhatsApp, they're showing a world on fire. Italy, America, England, they've set their own goddamn fire. Indians, we so goddamn smart, we shut down really quick. WhatsApp forwards have given medical and economic degrees to even our really thick.
Check out the two of us, we're really quite awesome. Shake your hands, hug each other, do as we do and then some. The hospital trip and ICU have made me a bit worrisome. I don't care, it's all crap. Give me all the money I can take home. Chloroquine or Clorox, for me it's all the same. Open, shut, oh my god, it's an awesome game. We have little Corona, I know that shit happens, but I'm at home drinking vodka, Svetlana's folding napkins. We have space program and so much more. This virus, such a bore. Just let me out and have a talk. I take little virus for short walk.
A big and dark continent we are, but no one seems to care. There's nothing that you need from us, not now, so throw us under the bus. But I'm just putting a quick email out there. Anyone got $1 billion to spare for us?
मलबा पाली की टीकरियों पे बड़ी तकलीफ हुई थी. एवोकाडो, ब्रसेल्स स्प्राउट्स, इनोकी, मशरूम की बहुत कमी थी. 2 दिनों से अमूल ब्रिटानिया खा के सोबो मॉम थक चुकी थी. पार्टी शार्टी कुछ नहीं, लाइफ तो अब बोर हो चुकी थी. बियर खत्म, बस पैग ही पैग लगाने ही पड़ी थी. बस फुल टाइम दीदी आर्य शूर्य चमनवीर के लिए यही एक मेहरबानी थी. भिंडा बटेटा सबका भाव इधर उधर हो गया था. मेरा भाजी वाला किधर है? उसका बिना हमारा काम नहीं चलता. लीला मरचा सूजी आटा हमको बेस्ट क्वालिटी चाहिए. हमारा आदमी बिना हम कहाँ से लेके आएंगे? रमीला मामीना खाखरानो नामे निशान નથી. જે મળે માર્કેટમાં તો હવાઈ ગયેલી રોટલી.
आए हम आशा लेके हमारे घर को छोड़ के, दिन रात किया काम फूटी कौड़ी लेके तुम्हारे लिए. वायरस का नाम सुन के भूल गए तुम हमें. खूनी कैदी को भी आपने इससे अच्छा रखा था, और अब जब काम आएगा तू मुझे घर पहुंचा देगा.
बस करो ये ड्रामा शामा, सोसाइटी की कमेटी. तंग हो चुकी हूं मैं अब सबकी बन के बावर्ची और धोबी.
जूम मीटिंग और स्कूल के सुन लिए बहुत बहाने. काम लगो सब बस वापस अपने अपने. या दे दो मुझे मेरी बाइयों, मेरी दोनों हाथें. Just sitting out in the bog, basking in the sun, sitting next to friends saying rum tum cradle dum. Without my Ganga around me, I feel so much glum. ન્યૂઝપેપર વાંચવાનો તો આમ આમ આમ. गाड़ी ने साफ करी ने थकी गया हम. There is absolutely no place to come and go from. Now you have spent some time with you and yours and found the you in you. And when you got all bored, you sought the me in me. And now that you have the you in you, which is the me in me, it's time to set you free. And that's all we have in the show tonight. I hope you enjoyed yourselves. Remember to stay together but stand apart. Wash your hands, scrubbity scrub, and God bless.